All right. I hope this is working and recording. This is a, okay. This is a open the box video. Okay, let's see. This is Mitchell's, what is it? Mitchell's, the website, Mitchell's. And what you see here is a Honda 2004 ignition system lock retaining method. I had to be towed in yesterday because the spindle inside here has failed on a 208,000 mile 2004 Honda. I'll explain in another video all of this stuff here, how the anti-theft system works. But before I do that, or on it, that's going to be another video, I have a box opening of an Import Direct 180692. I don't know what this is, that I got at O'Reilly's up the street. They opened a new store about a year ago. And this is the ignition switch system. And there's a few things about this which made me happy. Cost a lot of money here. More than the Xbox when it first came out. But it says here, made in Formosa, Taiwan. You may want to look up Formosa. It was, about 70, 80 years ago, a country off what we'd call China. Okay, that being said, let me open this up. In this box, there is a few things, starting with made in Taiwan. The box is empty. Some paper. That's anti-theft notice. Something about replacement assemblies. And this I won't show you, I think. It is my receipt for $493 US. And in, let's see, this is 2022. 500 bucks is not as much as it was in like 1970. That being said, here is the bag. Let me see if I can break the tape, cut the tape. Let me go get something to cut the tape. My Amazon Savior device. Oh, sorry, people. It's a bag, a nice bag, a very nice bag. I'm going to put the sticky tape over this way. Open up a thick, high-quality bag. That's what the Taiwanese do. And this thing here, The key would go in this way, and I got a key that says this is what happens in the key. Keep tag in a safe place, ON 167. Okay, and if you take a look, these keys look the same. And they're different, but they have no teeth. So that being said, let's see, I got this. There are connectors, a barrel spring here, a connector at this point and this point. Now something has to be added to help make all this go, and we'll see. And that is holds the steering wheel. Let's see if I can break this too. Fits in, turns, goes back. Fits in, turn, goes back. Other side, fits in, turn, goes to start, turns back. It has a better system or improved. I mean, you know, this 2004 Honda with 209,000 miles. Well, it's old. This is newer. This is another connection right here. So a connector goes here, that connector's in, and it says I need to connect the module. Let me move this box. This one says it's coated when I bought it online, and I'm not going to try and find that. But it comes with paperwork here that talks about the coated module. I'll explain that later, how this works. The anti-theft notice, I'll explain that later as I go to put this in. This ties around the steering column, has a couple of nuts and bolts that hold on to the system, the steering column, excuse me, not the system. Okay, let's see. Oh, in another video I'll explain this, how the anti-theft system works. And you should sign up. This is Mitchell. I'm certain they have other ones the same. This explains how the circuits work. This is basically it, and a very good diagram. Key, switch, ECM, PCM, and fuel supply. Basically, this will crank. As I can, just looking at this picture, will crank, but it will not start. How that's explained, and an earlier one that shows you where all the components are. But what it doesn't show you, and which is wrong, it makes this look like a regular key. This is not a regular key, because if you look at the profile, it doesn't have the clearance that would basically look like a skeleton key or any other type of key. But be that as it may, it's okay. We're going to figure this out, and I will remove the tumbler and whatever else I need to do from the Honda to figure out why it failed, and I had to have it towed in. The good news is the young gentleman that towed me in said, "May I see the key?" And I said, "Good." And I said, "I hope you can make it work." And he couldn't do it. And there's a fascinating thing that he did to get it out of park. And I'll look into that and maybe add it to the next video. That being said, thank you very much for watching. And please watch the next video if you've taken the time to watch this one. Have a good night, or day, or morning, but Have a good one.